No, I definitely am a foodie, but I think
Okay.
in comparison to her, it doesn't seem like I am because she really genuinely loves food and she doesn't have any like thing that she doesn't want to eat for me. I think I have certain things like I don't want to eat dairy so much and no, my stomach is gonna hurt and this.
Yeah.
I have these small issues, but she's very like, I want to eat everything. On a cheat day, our house just looks like a mess because there's parcels from every single restaurant everywhere. We'll have
Okay.
to invite people over because there'll be so much food, we won't know how to eat all of it. I have a huge sweet tooth, so lots of sugar. I've recently discovered creme brulee cheesecake.
Ooh,
So that's
okay.
my guilty pleasure right
Any
now.
particular place that you like it from?
Actually, the only place I know that has it is Bastion. So I ordered it from Swiggy and it's just this really yummy cheesecake that has the texture of creme brulee on top.
But you look like you've, of course, been dieting. You've also lost a bit of a weight.
Yeah, I think I
So-
was a bit heavier when I was younger. I think I lost weight especially during prep for Archies because we were doing cycling, skating, swimming, dancing, everything you could possibly be training for, we were doing then.
And what kind of food do you like to eat? Is it South Indian or North Indian? Because, of course, you've been raised in multicultural family, so to say.
I think it's a mix of both for me. I'll somehow end up mixing both cuisines. Like we'll have appam with like butter chicken or something
Wow,
like that.
okay.
It sounds odd, but we're just used to mixing everything on our plates and eating.
But appam and butter chicken sounds like a good combination.
It's honestly not bad. It's really good. And when you're in the flow of eating, sometimes your brain is not comprehending what your hands are doing because
Yeah.
you're just hungry.
Yeah.
It's not a bad combination.
She just mentioned something very interesting. She said that her stomach stops working when her brain is working so much. Is that the phase you are in now? Currently?
Yeah, I think now because promotions are happening, there's so much going on every single day, and I'm not used to speaking a lot, as I
Yeah.
told you before. So I
Yeah.
think because I'm thinking so much, I'm forgetting that my body also needs to be fueled, forgetting that I need to be eating sometimes.
Which is why Curly Tales is here. We need to
Yes.
make sure you're well fed for your promotions of your upcoming film, Lavyapa.
Yes.
So let's see what's on the menu.
Yes. This is bhaji.
Is this like the pav bhaji wala bhaji?
Yeah, but I
or-
have it with paratha. Is that
Okay.
odd?
Bhaji with paratha I've not had, but I would love to try.
We mix a lot of different combinations.
I know.
with this.
So last time I tried the chicken curry and idli for the first time.
Yeah.
I'm allowed to have first times.
Yeah.
But the internet did not approve of
Oh,
it.
no.
Yeah. Well, this time around, we are having a delicious Sunday brunch. I'm back in the Kapoor house, but it's with Khushi Kapoor. So, Khushi, what do we have here?
We have brown rice, salmon fish curry, which all my friends love for some reason. Beetroot sabzi. We have chicken keema.
Okay.
And then we have coconut milk, which I have with the appam.
Okay.
It's slightly sweeter.
Like appam with coconut milk.
Yeah.
Plain coconut
It's
milk,
just
that's
plain
it.
coconut milk, but the coconut
Okay.
milk is on the sweeter side a little bit. Dal, palak paneer, and bhaji, and jawar paratha.
And bhaji is to be eaten not with pav, but with
Paratha.
paratha.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this. I've never tried this before.
You
Appam with
must.
bhaji. Have you tried that?
Maybe today can be a first. Okay. The spice level in this house is a lot for people to tolerate, but if you've had food here before, then I think it must be fine.
Yeah. But what about you? You also like spicy food?
Yeah, I think since I was a young kid, it's always been spicy food all the time. When we travel, my dad has a suitcase full of green chilies with him.
What about you? I remember last time Janvi was eating green chilies like I would eat onion with food, right?
No, I love it. I usually have this achar, green chilies only. You must have had it that day also because that's her favorite.
Where's
So-
the achar today?
It's over.
Oh, okay. So has the menu been decided by you, Khushi, today?
Yeah, today's menu has been decided by me. Things of what I like to eat.
So Janvi loves to eat with her hands. What about you?
Yeah, I also eat with my hands only.
Yeah.
But if I eat rice, then I won't eat with my hands. If I
Okay.
eat roti, I'll eat with my hands. I can't eat rice with my hands. I just don't
No.
like the feeling.
Okay.
Full piece.
I'm going to have appam and fish curry. That would be nice,
That's a
I
nice
think.
combination.
Isn't it? Yeah. This plate looks nice and soulful. This fish curry with appam, it's amazing.
It hits the spot, I think.
Absolutely. I'd been craving for appam. Do you also make neer dosa at home? Or you
Not
know?
usually. It's
No.
mostly appam and idlis. My dad likes idlis a lot, I think.
Do you cook? Or the dish? Never.
I mean, I lived abroad alone for a year, so I kind of had to learn to fend for myself a little bit. I can do eggs, I can do pasta, I can do survival cooking.
And what about Mumbai street food? Is there anything that you really like?
Pani puri.
And any favorite place where you...
My dad used to take us to Chandru's and have pani puri. And we used to sit in our car and they used to get it inside the car in those steel plates and we used to
Yes.
have so much pani puri. But I've never been a vada pav person. Controversial opinion, but I don't like vada pav.
But do you like pav bhaji?
I love pav bhaji. Like
Okay.
misal pav and all I like.